Comprehensively refined, Genesis electric vehicles, or EVs, are equipped with a host of high-tech convenience features, such as Auxiliary Battery Saver Plus. Auxiliary Battery Saver Plus monitors the charge status of the 12-volt battery. Auxiliary Battery Saver Plus charges the auxiliary battery from the main high-voltage battery when the vehicle is parked and not being operated. This will occur so as long as the high-voltage battery is kept above 35% state of charge. It helps to prevent your 12-volt battery from getting too low, especially when parked over an extended period. The 12-volt auxiliary battery is the smaller battery found in most vehicles and provides power in your EV to features such as lights, wipers, audio systems, and more. The main high-voltage battery is the larger lithium-ion battery pack that stores and provides the power necessary for your EV to operate and drive. Auxiliary Battery Saver Plus is a passive feature that is always actively monitoring battery voltage on your Genesis electric vehicle. If the 12-volt auxiliary battery level becomes low, Auxiliary Battery Saver Plus will automatically begin to charge the auxiliary battery using the main high-voltage battery to maintain the 12-volt battery at sufficient charge to help maximize its life. When charging occurs, an indicator lamp will illuminate on your dashboard. If the 12-volt auxiliary battery is damaged or worn out, the Auxiliary Battery Saver Plus cannot prevent battery discharge. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.